following message is transmitted at the request of California Highway Patrol. An Amber Alert is being issued by the California Highway Patrol on behalf of the Oakland Police Department. On May 20th, 2025, at 12:36 p.m., Amira Coleman was abducted from Oakland, California. Amira Coleman is a 2-year-old black female, 1 feet 5 inches tall, weighing 60 pounds, with black hair and brown eyes. Amira Coleman is believed to be wearing a pink top. The suspect, Andrew Coleman, is a 26-year-old black male, standing 6 feet tall, weighing 200 pounds, with black hair and brown eyes. The suspect should be considered armed and dangerous. The second suspect, Tamira Clagan, is a 24-year-old female black, standing 5 feet 11 inches tall, weighing 175 pounds with black hair and brown eyes. Tamira Clagan is believed to be wearing a pink dress and gray shoes. The suspect should be considered armed and dangerous. The suspects and victim are believed to be on foot. If seen, call 9-1-1.
Amiri Coleman was last seen at 12:30 this afternoon in Oakland at 39th and Adeline Streets. Amiri is an African-American girl. A toddler, is 1.5 feet tall, weighs 60 pounds, and has black hair and brown eyes. She's wearing a pink top. Amiri is reported with a man and a woman who took her. They are considered armed and dangerous, and Amiri is considered in imminent danger. Her alleged abductors are 26-year-old Andrew Coleman. Coleman is black, 6 feet tall, 200 pounds, unknown clothing. Also 24-year-old Tamira Clagion. She's black, 5'11", weighs 175 pounds, has black hair and brown eyes. She was wearing a pink dress and gray shoes. Anyone who sees Amira or the suspects is to call 911 immediately.